Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into some easy manufacturing business ideas, focusing on daily use products that can be made with small machines. These ideas are perfect for those looking to start a business with a manageable investment. Let's explore. First up, we have soap making. Soap is a necessity, and the market for handmade, natural soaps is always growing. With a small soap-making machine, you can create various soaps, from basic bars to specialty soaps, with added essential oils or exfoliants. The initial investment is relatively low, and the demand is consistently high. Next, consider candle making. Similar to soap, candles are always in demand, particularly scented candles for relaxation or decorative candles for events. Small machines can help with pouring wax, inserting wicks, and even labeling. The possibilities are endless, and you can cater to different tastes and preferences. Moving on, let's look at customized stickers and labels. Many businesses and individuals need stickers and labels for packaging, branding, or personal use. With a small printing and cutting machine, you can offer a wide range of customized options, from simple labels to intricate designs. This is a versatile business with a broad customer base. Another great idea is producing customized phone cases. Nowadays, everyone has a phone, and they all need protection and personalization. You can create unique designs using sublimation printers and heat presses. The market is vast, allowing for high profit margins and repeat customers. Consider manufacturing simple jewelry. With small machines for cutting, shaping, and assembling, you can create various jewelry pieces, from earrings to necklaces. This allows you to tap into the fashion and accessory market, providing personalized and unique items. Let's not forget about creating custom mugs and drinkware. Personalized mugs are great for gifts, promotional items, or personal use. With a sublimation machine, you can print designs onto mugs and other drinkware items. This is a very easy business to start and has high potential. Now, let's explore the option of producing custom keychains. Keychains are always a popular item, and you can personalize them with names, photos, or logos. Small laser engravers or 3D printers can help create unique and eye-catching keychains. Another great idea is making personalized magnets. Everyone uses magnets, from holding notes on the fridge to decorating lockers. You can create customized magnets for different occasions, or offer promotional magnets to businesses. It's easy to set up with small equipment. Consider starting a business making hair accessories. Hair accessories are always in demand, especially for women and girls. With small machines, you can produce various accessories, such as hair clips, headbands, and scrunchies. The fashion market is constantly evolving, which is a great opportunity. Finally, let's think about producing simple packaging solutions. Many small businesses need packaging materials, such as boxes and bags. Small machines can help create custom boxes and bags. The e-commerce boom makes this a solid business opportunity. In conclusion, these are just a few ideas for easy manufacturing businesses that you can start with small machines. The key is to find a niche, focus on quality, and provide excellent customer service. Good luck, and start creating.